In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email to case on Salesforce CRM. If you've ever wondered how to streamline your customer support process, you're in the right place. By setting up email to case, emails from your customers can automatically generate cases, helping your team to respond promptly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, you'll head over to the Setup area. This is easy to find. Just look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to where we need to make our changes. Inside Setup, you'll notice the Quick Find box. This is a handy tool for navigating Salesforce, especially as it contains a multitude of settings and options. In the Quick Find box, type in Email to Case. It's the fast track to getting us to the right place. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it to proceed. Next, we'll see some options related to email to case. Here, you'll want to click Edit. This action will open up additional settings for you to modify. Look for the checkboxes labeled Enable Email to Case and Enable On-Demand Service. These need to be checked if you want the service to be active. Once you've done this, don't forget to click Save to ensure your settings are recorded. Moving on, we'll configure how inbound emails turn into cases. Find and click on New under Routing Addresses. This is where you'll enter the email address that will receive the support request. Something like support@company.com works well. This is quite crucial as it tells Salesforce where to expect incoming emails. After you input the address, Salesforce will send a verification email to ensure that you own it. Make sure you check your inbox for this email and click the verification link it contains. This step is essential as it confirms your email address and completes the setup for forwarding emails to Salesforce. Once everything is verified, the next set of options involves defining case settings. Here you have the flexibility to choose attributes like priority, origin, record type, and even the owner of these incoming cases. This is your chance to align email-generated cases with your team's workflows and support priorities. Finally, after setting up your email, Salesforce will give you a unique email address. This is the address that actually links your support email with Salesforce. Copy this generated email and set your support email account to forward all incoming messages to this address. This step ensures that every support email lands where it can be efficiently turned into a case for your team to handle. With this setup complete, your Salesforce will be all set to manage incoming emails as cases, bolstering your customer service efficiency by leaps and bounds. Thanks for following along, and happy case managing.